In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music or audio player to Notion. If you want to bring your workspace to life with a built-in audio player, Notion makes it easy using a Spotify link. We'll go from picking a track to having a playable embed on your page in just a moment, and I'll point out what to expect along the way so nothing is confusing. Start in Spotify and choose the exact song you want to feature. Open the track so you can see its details and artwork. Next, click the three dots next to the title to open Spotify's options for that track. Move your cursor over the Share menu to reveal the sharing choices, then select Copy Link to Album. This puts the album's URL on your clipboard. Using the album link works great in Notion because the embed displays the album player and can highlight the song you started from, so you still get the right context and the full set of controls. Now switch over to Notion and open the page where you want the music player to live. Place your cursor exactly where you'd like the player to appear, above your notes, in a callout area, or anywhere that fits your layout. Paste the Spotify link directly into the page using your normal paste shortcut. Notion recognizes Spotify links automatically and will show a small prompt offering how to display it. When that prompt appears, click Embed. Notion will convert the link into a live Spotify player right inside your page. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see the album artwork along with familiar playback controls. From here, you can press play, pause, and scrub through the track without leaving Notion. It keeps your focus in one place while adding a bit of personality and energy to your docs or planning boards. If the player doesn't appear immediately, wait a couple of seconds and confirm that the link came from Spotify's Share menu. Make sure it isn't a local file or a private resource that can't be previewed. Also, remember that playback depends on Spotify's availability in your region and whether you're signed into Spotify in the browser where you're using Notion. And that's it. Pick your song in Spotify, copy the album link from the Share menu, paste it into your Notion page, and choose Embed. With just those actions, you've added a clean, professional audio player that makes your workspace more engaging and enjoyable to use.